So now I want to show you how you can make this line on your own, or make it your own rather. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start from this D. Hopefully I'm not standing in front of the camera too badly here. We'll just go E flat here. So this is one way, you're just taking these notes and you're just kind of dropping them down. What did I forget here? D, I need another G there. So let's listen to how this sounds. So you've got sounds like Mighty Mouse. Here I come to save the day. So you get the idea. It's basically sounds the same. You're using all the same notes, but you're just you're dropping it down and making these things just a little bit different. So we've got all the same notes. 5 3 1 5 1 3 5 1 and flat 9 9 flat 7 flat 13 11 13 flat 9 and 11 up here. So it's just an idea of some ways to take what's already there that really works, and again you're only changing this one note here, so it makes it a pretty cool exercise to work on. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and please subscribe to these videos if you find them useful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.